G'day, this is Aaron Aardvark Adventure Rides. Out on a Sunday ride today, just out on my own. I didn't have anything planned this week because the weather wasn't looking too good. It's cleared up, it's looking okay today, so I'm going to head up into the mountains, see if I can find a nice spot to sit down and have a coffee, just clear my head for the day. Out the Strickland Spur track, which I would not try on this bike, but I'd like to see the top end of it. I've seen some videos on it, it looks pretty gnarly. It's still blocked off by the looks, I don't know. No, we're opened up. Last time I came here this was closed. Man, it looks muddy though. It's a really rocky track. Yeah, steep incline on big rocks. Oh, there's a wallaby. Yeah, I tried it from the bottom, I didn't get far, and then I watched some videos on it and thought, no way, I'm not doing that. But I want to check it out from the top. I'm not going to go down it, I just want to have a look. They've been doing some work up here because the road was closed last time I came here. Oh, bloody hell, it's slippery though. I don't want to get stuck down here either. Hoping just to find a nice little spot to stop and have a coffee. Oh no, this is looking pretty steep. Oh, with some logs along the way.